I'm Sarah Crutchfield. I'm here to talk about Fluid Air's Batch Architect control system. It's typically used to control fluid air lab scale equipment. It can be operated manually or with optional phase or recipe control. Using manual control, the operator changes the equipment states and operating set points. Using that mode, the operator has full control over the system and is responsible for how the process proceeds. If users need more advanced control, they can choose our phase option, which allows them to create phases which represent steps in the process. Each of these phases can be queued up to begin and set the parameters contained in that phase. The system will then proceed through those phases in order and control the system as it's programmed. This offers more precise control than manual control because all of the operating set points will change at the same time as it proceeds between phases, as opposed to the operator going in and setting several set points at once. Recipe control is the next level of control for the Batch Architect equipment. It actually stores the sequence of phases to be reused at a later time. These operate the same as the phase. It runs through the entire sequence, and there's also end conditions that can be programmed to allow automatic transitioning between the phases. This offers more reproducible control because the recipes are stored and can be reused later, and it requires little operator intervention. The Batch Architect system comes with a simple data logging package that stores a text file to a compact flashcard, which can be removed and placed on a desktop computer for importing into Excel, where the data can be manipulated and reviewed. Users that require more advanced reporting and data logging and recipe control should look into our Batch Architect Pro product, which also offers CFR 21 Part 11 compliance. Fluid Air can replace the control system on nearly any type of batch process equipment with either our Batch Architect or Batch Architect Pro system. One of the new features of our Batch Architect Pro is the utilization of a virtual machine. This allows us to separate the software from the hardware and gain independence from the hardware. In the event of a disaster, that virtual machine can then be copied over to a new computer without worrying about interferences with the new hardware.